welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see on the title, I have a very exciting unboxing video for you. I have just came back from Paris and I've done a little bit of shopping. I wasn't planning on buying anything from Chanel. As you can see, I'm doing an unboxing from Chanel today. I did make a wish list for Paris before I left for the trip this time. There are about 10 items on the wish list, but I obviously wasn't going to buy everything on the wish list because I'd be broke. So yeah, so I didn't go into any Chanel in Paris, in the city at least. Long story short, we need to do some tax returns. So we were at the airport like 5 hours before our flight scheduled to leave. We checked in and then we were in Terminal 1 and we went into the shopping area. It was really quiet. I've never seen an airport terminal being this quiet. There are probably about a dozen of people in the entire shopping area. So I was like, oh wow, okay. There was Chanel on the right hand side and I was like, okay, let's just go into Chanel and see if there's anything that I liked. I walked in, asked for it. They have one on display and it's the exact color that I wanted. Okay, I get tax-free because I'm leaving EU, so I get the D-tax rate. So I thought, I'm gonna just get it. And that's exactly what I did. So here's a story of this particular beauty. The essay was very lovely to talk to me about our travels. We had a long chat. She recommended a few places that I could come back to next time around Paris, outside Paris. So she offered us to take photos with my shopping bag and all of us in the boutique. She was like, if you're buying Chanel in Paris, you must take a picture. So she just took a few pictures for us. That's enough said about my experience in Paris, in the Chanel boutique. I think that's what you're here for. So let's open up this package, this beauty. And so this is the box that came with. You can see it comes with the camellia that's made in paper, Chanel ribbon in white with black Chanel writing. I really don't want to open this up. It's so packaged beautifully, but of course I can't wait to start using it, so I'll just do an unboxing now for you. Okay, so to unbox this, you can just take off the camellia. It's basically just a bow. So if you do want to tie it back up and put the camellia back on, you can. It's not like surgery, but yeah. So you just untie the box. Basically just a knot. You just untie it. And here's the black box untied. Okay, so I'll leave the ribbon on the side. Okay. Alright, so I'm opening up for the first time as well, so let's go. The little documentation on the side, and then you get the dust bag. It's a very nice dust bag actually. It's very velvety. So you have the Chanel. It's sort of like embossed in. Okay. You can already tell what this is with the detail here. It's the first time I'm seeing it after I bought it. Shiny gold detail here with the matte silver detail here, and it's lambskin. So it's the Chanel 19 wallet on chain style with a silver logo. I love silver basically on me. It also features a turn lock. In a lot of wallet on chain styles, it's only a snap button, or the newer style has a magnetic closure. Okay, so if you turn around, there's no pocket at the back. It has a little handle detail here. It's just stunning. And let's open up. I don't really mind about this sort of indentation because it will happen anyway with the design here. So that's something that is already pre-existing, so I don't really mind. And you can see there's slight scratches here, which I also didn't mind either. Going in, I knew this is existing on here. I already knew, so that's fine for me. But then yeah, that's the back, that's the bottom, which is fine, and that's the two sides. Okay, and let's just get the chain out. The 6-card compartment with the burgundy lining, with also a zip pocket at the front. It no longer comes with the authenticity card. Chanel can scan it and authenticate it for repair. and I'm sure you've seen lots of videos on wallet-on chains on 19, but no, I can't find any with the turn lock. So I think this is a little bit more rare, and I just love the shape, I love the size, and it actually fits a lot. We do have the gold and the silver finish on the chain, and I absolutely love this. Looks really cool with the black and with the gold and silver. So this is the unboxing of the 19. Oops, I can't get it. Okay, so this is the unboxing of the 19 wallet-on chain style. When I've used enough of this bag, I would love to do a actual review of this particular bag. You can tell me in the comments if you like this bag, if you plan on purchasing it, if you're looking for which variation you're looking for, just comment down below. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.